Welcome to the Education Explorer. This is your tool to identify post-secondary options considering different indicators. There are many ways to prepare for your career. With so many choices, there is likely one or more options near you. You can search for a program or an interest and get a snapshot of programs from certificates all the way through PhDs. Now let's look at all the interactive pieces of this tool. There are many different filters affecting your search. If you click all within a filter, it clears quickly. Then you can click your desired filter. Because this tool sorts through so much information, it might take a second for your filter to load. Now let's jump into a use case scenario. Let's say you're looking for a bachelor's degree within the state of Indiana. You can leave all the other filters at all. Now you can see that there are 55 institutions within the state of Indiana that offer a bachelor's degree. All of the institutions are located on the map and are represented by these little circles. If you scroll over the circle, a pop-up box appears with the name of the institution and a brief description. If you click the circle, an additional link will appear within the pop-up box that takes you to that institution's website. If you want to deselect this university or institution, you can simply click anywhere else on the map that is not a circle. You can also navigate through these institutions by using the table on the right. If you find an institution that looks interesting, you can click on it within the table and it highlights within the map. To deselect it, simply click anywhere else on the map that is not a circle. If you want to reset your filters, you can click the reset button in the lower right-hand corner to reset all of the filters at the same time. One last note, you can use this button to download your results or this button to share them with others. Remember, this is only one example of how you might expand your career pathways using the Career Explorer tools. If you have any questions about using any of the Career Explorer tools, please email us at info@debruce.org. Thank you for listening.